Police officers from the Riruta Police Station have arrested a pastor and a clinical attendant while rescuing a KCSE private candidate who had been detained at a makeshift medical facility despite being seriously ill. It all started when the candidate Gideon Juma fell ill and was rushed to Mama Lucy Hospital by the examiners. He was later discharged and went to his home in Kabiria.However, the boy fell ill again and the neighbor sought a vehicle to rush him to hospital, but they decided to take him to a local clinic since his situation was getting worse. The clinic attendant was in the process of administering first aid and put the boy on a drip, but a man entered claiming that he was the boy's spiritual pastor and forcefully removed the drip, saying that the boy needed prayers and not medical attention. The so-called pastor, who, with other people, took the boy away to the nearby church, where they held a night-long prayer session. As his situation got even worse, they took the boy to another clinic this morning, making the boy miss his examinations, the English paper, that is.
Kufika pale tukapata pastor amedisconnect zile pipe zenye alikuwa ameweka zote kwa mkono na yani zile dawa zote zenye alikuwa amedisconnectiwa na daktari, ambapo daktari hata alihofia kufanya kitu kama ama kupikwa, akisema kwamba hiyo sio ugonjwa, hiyo ni mapepo. So sisi tukachukua hatua, tukaenda paka kanisani, tukapata kijana amelalishwa chini anaombewa na pastor na amemwagiliwa maji, amepaka mafuta kwa kichwa.